So let's follow this erythropoiesis line. Okay. The erythropoiesis starts with the hematopoietic stem cell. The next stage is the myeloid common progenitor. And then the CFU-E progenitor, from which a cell called pro-erythroblast differentiates. This pro-erythroblast has prominent nucleoli visible in the cell nucleus. This is the pro-erythroblast, and these nucleoli are the site of the RNA production. The next stage is erythroblast, that contains very rich rough endoplasmic reticulum with many ribosomes made of that RNA, and translating the RNA, or preparing to translate the RNA into protein sequence. So we get the granular endoplasmic reticulum, and this form is called basophilic erythroblast. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for the basophilic staining. Next stage still has a prominent granular endoplasmic reticulum, but also already hemoglobin in the cytoplasm, and the hemoglobin is eosinophilic. So the hemoglobin is a protein, will carry the oxygen, and is being produced on this granular endoplasmic reticulum. So we have the granular endoplasmic reticulum and the hemoglobin, and therefore it's not only basophilic but also eosinophilic, which is summarized under the term polychromatophilic erythroblast. The next stage is mostly filled with hemoglobin only, so the cell is eosinophilic. We call it eosinophilic erythroblast or orthochromatophilic, because it already has the right color. Then the nucleus is excluded. We call it extrusion of nucleus, which is followed by macrophages, and we got a cell form without nucleus, with some surviving polyribosomes that were present also here, right? But mostly it's already filled with the hemoglobin. Polyribosomes. And this form is called a reticulocyte. It may already occur in the peripheral blood within certain limits. And it matures into the final red blood cell with its shape of the biconcave disc. Which is called erythrocyte. Or normocyte, if it has this 7.5 micrometers diameter. Should we consider the concentration of RNA versus hemoglobin along the maturation? Then we can see that the amounts of RNA decreases in time, while the concentration of hemoglobin starts close to zero, while gradually, once the hemoglobin starts being produced, it goes up. Somewhere here we got a balance between these two both, therefore we have got the polychromatophilic erythroblast. So this will be concentration. This whole process is promoted by a hormone called erythropoietin.